Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Tacoma key battery. Start by locating the small slot on the fob edge and gently pry it open with a flathead screwdriver, keeping pressure even. Remove the old CR2032 battery with care and note its orientation. Insert the new battery matching the positive side as shown, then snap the shell closed until it seats securely. Test the remote from a few feet away to confirm the buttons. Warm up your workspace with good lighting and a cloth to protect the fob finish. Use a small flathead screwdriver to press into the slot and twist gently until the two halves separate. Carefully lift the circuit board out or hinge it aside to reveal the battery. Then slide the old CR2032 out, taking care not to bend contacts or lose small clips. Keep parts together for reassembly. Hold the new CR2032 battery by the edges and place it in the compartment with the correct polarity, double-checking orientation against the old battery and markings. Lower the circuit board carefully back into place so contacts align, then bring the fob halves together and press along the seams until everything snaps into place. Avoid forcing the pieces if they don't align. Instead, reopen and realign before.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.